Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw an arc in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So before the video began, what I did is I created some points in my project here, and to create my line, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to head to my project data tab here at the top, and in my project data I'm going to select lines, and it's going to bring up all my line options. So in this case I need to create a new line as I don't have any existing lines. So I'm going to select my B wall option and then click create B wall -1, and you're going to see I now have a line option in my table here. So what I'm going to do to create my line is I'm actually going to select B wall /1, and then I'm going to select edit, and that's going to bring me to my map screen where you can see I have some points. So if I click on point number 4 here, and I'm going to select it from my option, and then I'm going to go from point 4 to 3, and then 3 to 2. You can see though that I don't actually have an arc yet. I still have a triangle shape with a sharp corner. So I want to create an arc, and I want the radius of my arc to pass through point 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select point 3 on the left here, and then from my option here, I have an option for a tangent point or a point on curve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the point on curve option here, and you can see as soon as I select that, I get a nice arc passing from point 4 through 3 and ending at point number 2. And that is how you draw an arc in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.